Welcome to this training series on Fusion 360 CAM. My name is Mike Matera, and I will be walking you through this series of lessons. We are going to be covering an introduction to 2D milling. We will be working on this typical job shop part, machining it complete. That means the top and bottom in two different setups. These lessons will give you a good overview on the capabilities of Fusion 360 CAM as a complete process, showing you all the individual steps it takes to complete a part from beginning to end. Please keep in mind that you can stop the videos at any time, and we encourage you to work through the steps as you are watching the videos. Now let's begin. The first thing we need to do is open our project sample file. And to do that, we are going to expand the data panel. Click the icon that says Show Data Panel. Fusion has a number of project folders available. Here at the bottom, you'll find one that says CAM Samples. Double-click to open that folder, then again on the folder called Tutorials. Here we can find the sample file called Intro to 2D Machining. Double-click to open it. With our file open, look to the top where it says Read Only. Sample files cannot be edited, so before we make changes, let's save this to our own project. Click on the Home icon at the top of the data panel. Fusion creates a first project folder for you. But we want to store this in a new project folder. Select the new project icon and give it any name that you like. I'm going to call mine Introduction. Once created, double-click to enter that folder. You'll notice it's empty. Now we can go to the File pull-down and select Save As. I will keep the same name, but you could change it if you want. Then press Save. So, we have opened a file in the data panel, found and opened the sample file, created a new project folder, and saved the part to the new project folder. At this point, we no longer need the data panel open, so we can click on the icon to hide the data panel. Next, be sure the workspace is set to Manufacture, so we can set up our project for milling.